Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another tiny car camper conversion video. You may find yourself needing to sleep in your car for one reason or another, and you could also find yourself in a position like me where you have a very small car and you need to sleep in it. So let's try and make it comfortable. The first thing I want to show you is the car. Okay, here it is. This is a Mazda Demio. As you can see, it's extremely small. I don't know how long it is, but it's about the smallest car on the road here. And today we're going to turn this into a camper. The first thing you want to do is find some wood so you can build something. I'd like to build, first of all, a platform that I can lie down on and put my bed on so I can have some comfort. So let's go find some wood. The best place to find wood is in the industrial area. If you don't want to pay for it, and I definitely don't want to pay for it, let's make this cheap as possible and easy. So let's go find some wood. So some of this stuff might be okay, but it's all cut up into pretty small pieces. We'll take a few pieces from here and hopefully we can find something better. Awesome, found exactly what we're looking for. Old plywood. Oh, that's exactly what we're after. That should save us $100. To build the bed frame, first measure the inside of the vehicle. I like to make a box type frame so I can use the internal part of the frame for storage. I use plywood for the top because it is light and strong and easy to cut into different shapes. The lower part of the bed frame is made from pallet wood. I managed to find some pallet wood pieces that were already the right size for my project, so it was easy just to knock this bed frame together. However, if you're making a more precise construction, you may need to do more measuring and cuts than I have done. Now it's time to fit the bed frame into the vehicle. Make sure the top is level and add any supports if necessary. I've added extra support to ensure it's comfortable to sleep on. I've nailed this part of the frame together, but you can also use screws. The bed frame extension is constructed as a separate part so that it can be easily removed to pack away when the car is used to carry passengers. You can see how the frame design maximizes the amount of storage space that can be used around and underneath the bed frame. Now that the bed frame is complete, it's time to test it out for comfort. I've added solar power to this car camper conversion so that I can have light and also USB charging for my phone and other devices. The solar panel can be removed and placed outside of the vehicle so it can maximize the amount of sunshine it can collect and turn into energy. I'm adding cardboard on top of the bed frame just to ensure a little extra comfort and make sure that the splinters from the wood don't make a hole in my sleeping mat. There's plenty of storage room underneath the bed frame, so I'm taking advantage of this by adding a cooler so I can keep drinks and food cold. In the back of the vehicle, I've added a small crate to store my kitchen items, food, a pan and gas cooker. I do my cooking on this small bench top, close to my lighting and power supply. Once my sleeping mat is set up, you can see I've got plenty of room here to stretch my feet out. Now all that's left to do is pack the vehicle, throw in my bike and hit the road. Alright, the car's all packed up. I've got everything in here, even my bike in the back. Make sure to check out the video of the camper car tour on my channel. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe. My name's Andy, Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.